Hey, hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this short video, I will show you how to enable or how to install a port-on-demand license on a Brocade at 6510. This is a fiber channel generation 5 switch. And my customer, they want to install, this particular license to enable the all 48 ports. So by default, the unit comes with a 24 ports active. So you need to install a license to enable, the other 24 ports. So let me show you what is the firmware version. Firmware show. Let me show you the information about the switch. Switch show. So right there, that's the information about the switch. So as you can see right here, this is another command, but you can see right here, the port active of the 0 to 23, right? And the other port, they are not active because of the lack of the license. So let me show you all the license information. License ID show, that's the license ID. A license port show, right there. So that gives you more information. We have only 24 active, that belongs to the base license. So I need to install the port on demand license to enable the other 24 ports. So let me show you how to execute that. This is very simple. License add and the license key. My customer, he already sent me the license key, so I don't need to generate the license. Copy. So the license key is this one right here. Just hit enter. So now let's double check if the port on demand license is installed and the port are active. License port show, and there we go. So do you remember 24 port active to the base license, and now we have the other 24 provisioned by the full port on demand license. And that is how you install the license on this particular unit. So that will be everything for today. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. And if you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thanks.